Hello everybody. Here today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the outer tie rod on 2009 Honda CR-V. It's a part number. It's a 53540-SWA-A02. Okay, let's get it started. Okay, we're gonna remove the caliper out. Very simple. Okay. And next, we're gonna remove the nut in here. Okay, it's a number 19 millimeter. Remove it and time to loose the tie rod lock nut in here. It's number 19 millimeter range. One look like snap. Okay, loose. And the next part, remove the tie rods out. Give me a second, I'm gonna bring my tool to remove it. Here is a tie rod tool, okay, remove tool. Very simple, cheaper, and work good. Bingo! It come out, and after I'm going to count how many rounds I spent out, I'm gonna put it back on the same spot, okay? And make sure after we replace the tie rod, you have to bring your car to do alignment. Let me count right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 rounds. After you remove it, I'm going to apply some grease. Okay, just apply some grease in here to make it loop. It's easy to remove it next time, right? And time to install the new outer tie rod and start count at 18 rounds. Cool, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Just put it back. Okay, and don't forget to put the nut in here. Is 19 millimeter on the bar, and tighten it. All right, very simple job, my friend. You know, like it's a very quick. Done. And don't forget to put the caliper to lock. It's a safety first. Bingo. and taste not bad. And don't forget to bring your car to do a wheel alignment, okay? It's very important. Alright. It's all set to go, right? You know, like it's how to remove and install the outer tie rod for 09 Honda CR-V. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching my video. Any question just let me know, and thank you.